7-5 Diversification and Value Additivity. Diversification is the purview of investors, not corporations. Investors can easily diversify their portfolios. Corporations are better off specializing. Therefore, investors do not reward corporations for diversifying, and corporations do not seek to diversify for diversification benefits. What are we saying here? Certainly, diversification is a good thing. We know that. If you have a portfolio of stocks, you want to have at least 20 stocks in there to get rid of specific risk. You get to keep all of the return while reducing the risk. That's fantastic. It's your job, though. It's the investor's job. It is not the job of the corporations to diversify. So, a corporation like Apple should focus on producing the best iPhones, the best wearables, the best MacBooks, the best cloud computing that they can. And they should never have to worry about also getting into the concatenator business or the diversified consumer sector or food products or pharmaceuticals. Since this idea is widely accepted both by corporations and investors, investors will not reward a company for diversifying. In fact, investors will begin to think, wow, this corporation has lost focus. Management can't possibly handle this many industries well. The second implication is for corporations when they're seeking to do projects. Corporations are always looking for NPV positive projects. If there was actually diversification, then there would be specific risk issues, and management always be looking to reduce specific risk through diversification. So that would have to go into the NPV calculation of each project. But they don't, because corporations, once again, do not bear the burden of diversifying. Therefore, corporations look at each project individually and say, NPV positive, fantastic, let's do it.